something. Kind of. Oh, I gotta show you. So that's how it kind of came in the box. Oh, got a Shrek sticker. Got a, oh god, oh wow. I didn't realize that the shaker itself, the top was like foamy. Let's get stuff in there. Shaker itself. We got tub. Swamp water, matcha. That's like the good flavor. Is the other flavor inside the shaker? Because it feels like there's way too. It is weird, interesting. You know, the viral flavor that everybody hates. Onions and waffles, which I've heard is fucking disgusting. It's been drawn before. Beware onions and waffle shaker. It's inside the shaker, which I figured that out was based off the weight alone. Anyways, yeah. That is the Shrek Collector's box from GFuel.